encima le empiezo en el coche. Ya sabéis que últimamente tengo que aprovechar el tiempo como puedo, pero en lo que se basa este vídeo es cómo grabo y edito y hago la voz en off y hago el unboxing del Apple Watch Series 5, todo hecho desde el iPhone 11 Pro Max, absolutamente todo, nada ha pasado por ordenador, así que vamos a ver cómo queda. Y fijaros, aquí esta cámara frontal, vamos a empezar con el vídeo, ¿vale? Y vais a ver el proceso, vais a ver un poco cómo lo he trabajado y vais a ver cómo ha quedado el vídeo. Realmente va a ser el vídeo del unboxing, pero con un proceso delante. Así que como estamos todos locos, vamos a por ello, acompañadme. Se me olvidaba decir que he grabado el vídeo con todas las cámaras disponibles del iPhone con el Filmic Pro en valores manuales, todo ha sido manuales. Fijaros, se cuela ya hasta Coach Media y todo en Twitter, es publicidad masiva, ¿vale? Seguimos, ahora sí, venga, acompañadme.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop shit, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot shit. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting bitches with the oh well. Need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best nigga. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Utilizar el iPhone porque es todo muy sensible, poner las canciones, utilizar la voz en off y todo lo que conlleva. Pero esto hemos llegado hasta aquí, decidme qué os ha parecido, si os ha gustado, si no. Y aún así, si tenéis cualquier duda, ya sabéis, preguntarme porque estos programas están muy bien para hacer todo con el iPhone. Venga, nos vemos, hasta pronto.